back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for today's practice. Today we have a full body practice. We're just going to stretch, move, breathe, and just hopefully leave feeling all stretched out and really, really good. We're going to start today in just a comfortable seated position. So when you're ready, coming onto your mat, you can sit cross-legged or kneeling or any other position that works for you. We'll just start by taking a few moments to arrive. So allowing your hands to rest onto your knees, growing tall through the spine, closing your eyes. Taking a moment, as we always do, just to let the energy settle, to step away from the day, the morning, and just arrive into this space, into this time that you've carved out on your mat. Let's start together by taking a full breath in through your nose. And open the mouth, exhale, release. Again, just like that, slow breath in. And exhale, release. This time as you inhale, draw your shoulders up to your ears. And then exhale, roll them down and back. Again, inhale, forwards and up. And exhale, down and back. Good, one more time, inhale, forwards and up. And exhale, down and back. Really, really nice. Bring your hands to your heart, open your eyes. On an inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. And as you exhale, drop your left hand to the left and just start by finding a little side bend through that right waist. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Beautiful. Inhale, bring both arms up to the sky. And then exhale, right hand comes down as you find that side lean, stretching through the left side waist. Big breath in. And big breath out. Beautiful. Breathing in, bring both arms up to the sky. And then exhale, bring your hands through heart center. Really nice. From here, make your way onto hands and knees, tabletop position. Bring your hands under your shoulders, your knees underneath the hips. On an inhale, drop your belly, lift your chin, lift your chest, cow pose. Exhale, round your upper back, chin to chest. Again, breathe in, drop the belly, heart lifts. Exhale, round and curl in. And just continue for a few more rounds in your own time, your own breath. Maybe close your eyes and maybe start to invite in any other movements that feel good here. Letting it flow, letting it be intuitive. As you just tune into the body, notice what's going on. Beautiful. Eventually we'll meet back in center, back to our tabletop, spreading the fingers, tucking the toes if you haven't already, and just start to slide your right toes to the back of the mat. Press your right heel away from you, and then using your right toes, just start to rock forwards and backwards. Start to feel the work into the calf, the hamstring, as well as warming up through the wrists and the ankles. Beautiful, and then pause there. Inhale, lift your right leg. And then exhale, step your right foot to the outside of your right hand for a lizard lunge. Walk your hands and hips forward. Start to pull your heart forwards, feeling a deep stretch through the left hip flexor. And then pressing into the left palm, reach your right arm all the way up, take a twist. Take a big breath in. And then as you breathe out, start to reach your right arm back behind you, finding a little bit of a deeper opening through that right shoulder. Good, now with your breath, take an inhale. Now as you exhale, start to straighten your right leg as you circle your right arm forwards, tapping the floor at the top of the mat. We're repeating that twice. Inhale, bend right knee, circle the right arm all the way back. And then exhale, straighten and reach and tap. One more time. Inhale, bend, circle, open. Exhale, straighten, reach, tap. This time, pause into that half split. Maybe you need a little bend in the knee, that's okay. You just ease your way in, breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. On your next inhale, re-bend the right knee. Lower the palms, lift your left knee and step back to a downward facing dog. First down dog, just start to pedal out the legs. You'll probably feel a little bit lopsided. You've stretched one leg and not the other leg. But just ease your way into the calves, the hamstrings a little bit deeper. Beautiful. And then eventually find stillness. Let your heels be heavy. Take a deep breath in. Big sigh, release. A lovely inhale, gaze forwards. Exhale, lower your knees back to your tabletop, keeping your toes tucked. Slide the left toes to the back of the room, press the heel away. And then use your left toes to find that little rock, forwards and backwards, just finding that release through the wrists, the ankles. Beautiful, and then pausing there. Let's lift that left leg off the floor, take an inhale. And then exhale, left foot lizard lunge, top of the mat. Walk your hands, walk your hips forwards, and then think cobra in the upper body as you draw the chest forwards. Bring the weight into the right hand, left arm to the sky, take a breath in. Lovely, and then start to reach that left arm all the way back, opening into a deeper twist. Take a big breath in here. On an exhale, straighten that left leg, circle the left arm forwards and down, release the head. 2 more times, inhale, bend, circle that left arm back. Exhale, straighten, circle forward, straighten. 1 more time, bend, circle that left arm back. And then exhale, straighten, circle forwards. Let's pause here this time. Left toes lift if you can. Try to relax the head, the shoulders. Breathing in. And breathing out. Beautiful. Inhale, gaze forwards. Exhale, re-bend into that left knee. Lift your right knee, downward dog, left foot meets the right. Pause there again. You might find movement, you might find stillness. Just taking a slow breath in and a slow breath out. Lovely. On your next breath in, gaze forwards. Start to walk your feet slowly towards the thumbs. Bring your feet about hip distance apart. On an inhale, hands to shins, flat back, lengthen. And then exhale, forward fold, allow your head to release. 2 like that. Inhale, flat back, lengthen. Exhale as you fold. 1 more time. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale as you fold. This time, chin to chest. Inhale, roll all the way up. Once you get there, circle your arms up, reach up, tall mountain. And then exhale, bring your hands to your heart. And release your arms next to your hips, finding your Tadasana, your mountain pose. Pause there, take a full breath in. And a sigh to release. Beautiful. When you're ready, just turn your body to face the long edge of the mat. So turn to the left, bringing your feet about hip distance apart. From there, interlace your fingers apart from your index fingers. Spread your toes. On an inhale, raise your arms up, nice strong core. On an exhale, side bend over to the right. Feel the stretch through the left side waist. Beautiful. Breathe in, rise back to center. Exhale, lean to the left, send your hips to the right. Beautiful. From there, breathe in, come back to center. Now as you exhale, we're going to separate the hands, take a big step out to the left. Goddess pose, heels in, toes out, sit down into it. Let's take our hands on tops of the thighs, lift up through the chest, take a breath in. On an exhale, dip your right shoulder, look over your left. Inhale, bring it back to center. Exhale, dip your left, look over the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, bring your hands back to your heart. Inhale, 5-pointed star, straighten the arms and the legs. And then triangle pose to the right as you exhale. Left toes turn in, back of the right hand to inner shin, left arm to 12 o'clock. Pausing there, opening the chest, breathing in. Breathing out. You want to really feel that right inner thigh stretch open. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Inhale, start to look down. As you exhale, pyramid pose, left hand meets the floor or a block or your leg. Turn to fold that over that right leg, drawing the right hip back. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Beautiful. Inhale, find a flat back, look forwards. Exhale, bend the right knee, lower your left knee down to the mat. From here, Anjaneyasana, inhale, arms up, reach up, open through the chest, feel into that left hip flex, a big breath in. And then as you breathe out, bring your hands next to your right big toe. From here, side lunge, lift your left knee. We're going to pivot to face the long edge of the mat, straightening that left leg as you pull the left toes towards you. Let's lift through the crown of the head. Press that left heel away, maybe reach the left arm up, find an opening, an open twist. Good, deep breath in. And then exhale, left hand lands. Look to the left foot. We're going to find side lunge all the way to the back of the mat. Bend into the left knee, lift your right toes. Maybe again, left hand reaches wide, right arm opens up. Big breath in. Exhale, right hand releases. Turn to face the back of the mat now. Lift your right heel, lower your left knee. We're finding our low lunge. Inhale, arms up, Anjaneyasana. Drive the hips forwards, open through the chest, big breath in. And then exhale, release the hands to the floor, pyramid pose, lift your right knee, straighten your left leg, see if you can relax the right heel to the mat. Gently drawing that left hip back, taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out, folding a little bit more. Beautiful. Inhale, find a flat back. Exhale, bring the back of the left hand to the left inner shin. Inhale, triangle, right arm up. Open, expand as you gently draw that left hip back. Good, creating as much space as you can. Beautiful. On your next inhale, rise up, arms to a T. And then exhale, we're finding our goddess. Right heel turns in, hands to heart, sit nice and low. Let's bring the hands back to the tops of the thighs. Inhale, lift up through the crown of the head. Exhale, dip the left shoulder, look over the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, dip the right, look over the left. Beautiful. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, 5-pointed star, extend, expand. And then exhale, turn your toes in. This time we're going to fold, prasarita, come all the way down. Hands down, allow your head to release. Maybe find a little sway from side to side, just releasing into the backs of the legs. Beautiful. And then inhale, find a flat back. Exhale, heel toe the feet about hip distance apart, maybe wider. We're going to sit down into our malasana, our yogi squat. So when you're ready, sit all the way down. Maybe bring your hands to your heart if you can, lifting through the crown of the head and just taking a moment to close down your eyes. And just take a big breath in. And a big sigh to release. Beautiful. When you're ready, open your eyes, take your fingertips behind you, gently release your sit bones onto the mat. And then find a straddle here, so take your legs nice and wide. Keeping the spine long, we're going to bring the left heel in towards the groin. Turn to frame your right leg, extend your tailbone back, lift your chest, big breath in. And then exhale, just start to fold over that right leg. Allow your head to drop down towards the shin, allow the breath to slow. And allow yourself to wiggle around, find the little sweet spots that you need to work into. Maybe play with giving something a little pull or a little more softness. Just really feeling into it. Beautiful. And then slowly rise up. Let's switch the legs, bring that right leg in, send the left leg away. Framing that left leg and folding. And again, wiggling, adjusting, moving to make you really feel into it. Feel where you feel it the most. Beautiful. And then slowly rise all the way up. Come back to a cross-legged position. Just cross the ankles or sit in any other way that feels good for you. Allow your hands to rest onto your knees, grow nice and tall, and again, just close down your eyes. Taking a big breath in through the nose. And a sigh to release. One more just like that. Biggest breath so far. Inhale. And exhale. Lovely. Bring your chin to your chest, hands to heart center. Just thank yourself for showing up, noticing how you're feeling. Thanking yourself for giving yourself this short amount of time. And just take with you the openness, the spaciousness, and hopefully an element of calm and peace that you've created into the rest of your day, your week, and of course the days to follow. As always, thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.